Let's start with something simple. Remember those compact source files and instance main methods feature we explored back in my Java 24 feature review video? This feature was first introduced in JDK 21, and after a few refinements across versions, they have now been finalized in Java 25. With this, Java 25 takes another step towards helping beginners, students, and instructors learn the language more easily, letting them write simpler programs before diving into Java's heavier concepts. The idea is straightforward. You can now write your first Java program in a clean and concise way and gradually scale it up as your skills grow. In other words, you don't need to understand everything about packages, classes, and static methods in the very first program you are writing in Java. So here is a classic Java program that we have been writing for years. So for a beginner, it will also be heavier to understand and explain. It is great for production, but a bit intimidating for someone just starting out. So in Java 25, you can write the same thing much more simply. Our compact source file in Java 25 becomes like this. Just 3 lines. Void main, that is the simple entry point, and IO is a static class which offers println overloads and readline overloads, which basically wraps around system.out and system.in for standard input-output related operations. And that's a simple compact code you can write concisely as your first Java program and run it successfully. So a few key points to remember: no need to declare a package, no need for a class declaration even, and our main method is not static, it is an instance main method. And again, the IO class, it was first introduced in JDK 23 but was in java.io package, which is moved to java.lang package so that it is available by default without any explicit imports. So isn't that amazing? Now, just to be clear, this compact syntax is great for learning, quick experiments, or teaching. But enterprise level projects should still follow the classic Java structure with proper class declaration, package, and build tool. Why is that so? Because it's a fantastic feature easing the learning curve, but real world code bases should still rely on this structure because readability, maintainability, and clarity matters after all. This is just one of the major updates in Java 25. I have covered top 6 game-changing features in my Java 25 features video. Check the link in the description to see the rest.